Good morning, good afternoon, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have something a little bit different. This is an item I was asked by Gbfke. That's a budget-friendly company who sells diamond painting and cross stitches, okay? And they asked me to review a couple of products. But before we do that, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video below, and the notification bell to get notified for the video. I do videos 3 times in a week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays. And I have a playlist with quite a few craft. Free welcome to search on it. And please comment below which one you prefer to see, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. So we got these beaded keychain, and we got this cross stitch. So let's do the beaded keychain first, okay? This is a giraffe. That's how it's supposed to be. So let's see what we got in here. All right. So we get the poly filling. We're getting the shard. With this in Chinese, I guess I'm gonna have to do Google Translate on this. And here is how to put the bead, how to do the beading, and it's also in Chinese. I wish they would have the instructions in Spanish. I mean, not in Spanish, in English. I'm sorry. In English. So here we have we get the canvas to do the beading. Okay, I guess you put it this way after you finish. Okay, you got black sea beads. You got the golden sea beads, which are pretty good. I like this. The company, the Chinese company that makes sea beads is called Ming Tree. Ming, M-I-N-G, tree, like the tree, like forestry. So I wonder, and they are pretty good beads. Here is those beads. Here we got some more beads, and I'm assuming okay, for the eyes. And the nose. Okay. The one that I don't see in is the red one. It would be nice if they would have provided a red one, and according to this, you gotta go around the red. I will translate to see how this goes. Oh, here they are. I'm sorry. Here they are. They were underneath this. Here are the red beads. So yes, you can do the red part with it. Okay? And I guess that some of this is for the tail. Then you got the thread. Here they are, and elastic one that I'm assuming that is to fix the with the key ring. You have the key ring, and then you have the excuse me, the beading needles. Okay. Let me see. I have Google Translate over here in my phone. And let's see what it does says on the back. At the same time, you're going to learn how to use Google Translate. Use the camera. Oh, here it is. Let's see what he got in these instructions. Okay. So yeah, there's instructions over here. And let me see what else it says over here. Okay, it tells you to use one strand for the beading, and the fishing thing, this is to close, to sew them together. When you finish it, you sew them together. But I guess you're gonna have to cut these off once you are done. Okay, it doesn't say anywhere about that. Okay, and then over here, okay, these are the symbols explaining you the color of the beads. So I hope I'll be able to do this soon, but I'm having problem with my arthritis. That's what I'm painting. I'm doing paint by numbers most of the time, but it is because of that, because of the situation with arthritis. That's why I'm sorry guys, I have not been able to touch the cross stitch and anything else that I've been doing. Nothing else. So let me get this in here too. Let's see if I can get it in here. If not, oh, probably some of this stuff goes in here. Let me put this in here. That's what the material is. I'm gonna put this in here with this. This is the stuffing. I think we have plenty of it. And then they both goes in here. So this is a cutie one. With this idea, you can create your own patterns though. Your own patterns ideas. Oh, come on. You know what? I'm gonna leave it for later. I'll put it back together when we finish, because I want to tackle this one. This one I haven't seen it. I haven't seen this brand, VipCrossStitch. But this one has Enjoy Alive, looking for a creative embroidery beauty. Choose one. I think this is a store also on it's 100% bead embroidery. Let's open it up, shall we? Let's see what we got in here. I see the needles. I see the beads. And I see a chart. And a set of instructions. I have a tutorial on how to bead embroidery. I'm going to post it over here on the okay, it's a single thread. you have to use one thread, and here they give you quite a bit, okay, of thread. So it gave you a roll thread. These are the instructions, and it tells you over here that you only use one thread. And here is the chart with the symbols and the colors, okay, and the colors and number. It has 21 colors, and over here is this is a 9 count. It looked like it, yeah, it's a 9 count. So that means that it's 16 by 40 centimeters. Okay. And here are the beads, which we're going to be looking at. That's the chart. This is good. It's on a shiny paper, so you won't be able to see it too well, but the symbols are very clear on this chart. Okay. Over here, we got the cloth. Okay, it's 100%. It's not that rough. Okay, and it's serge, so it will be easier for you to do the embroidery, and it won't fray. Okay, here are the numbers of the beads. Okay, it tells you the number of all 21 beads, but you have the number over here. It's better to go back, but this should be easy. The cloth is soft, and then you get 2 needles. I'm going to leave them in there. This is neat. So I'm going to pause the video because it's the same technique for everything. It's the same technique. You don't have to. Well, let me put this backwards and put the beads in here so you'll be able to see the colors. Here they are. This is a nice kit. Supposed to be 3mm beads. Let's take a look at this. Oh, look at all these colors. They're beautiful. Huh, and they're even. I'm seeing that they're even. Take a look at this. But it looks like they are plastic. I don't dare to open one because I don't know. This blue one. Let me open this one and get a bead out. Oh, they have a static. They do have a static. Whoops. Oh, here it is. Let me put these 3 back in here. Here it is. It's a nice 3mm bead. And what I'm going to do is they're not easy breakable. Well, I'll try to break it with my teeth though. So, and let me try something. I'm gonna be crazy, but you're gonna call me crazy. Oh, I cannot find the hammer and mallet that I have. Let me see. Okay, I got it. Let's see if I can find out. Here it is. Broken in half. Where's the other half? I'm looking for the other half. I think this is it. Yeah, I broke a bead. It looks like it's some type of plastic, but it's hard plastic. Because I have to hammer it twice. It doesn't bend, it breaks. Okay? So, bye-bye bead. So this is a good kit. I'm just trying them because these are brand new kits and AliExpress have a whole bunch of them. And these are easy because the count is 9 count. But take a look at all the colors that we have over here. They are well numbered. Okay. And just turn it around on the number side. Here you got all these beautiful colors. It's an autumn theme, so you have autumn colors in here. You have some blue, but it's because of the sky. Here are the blues. Here are the pinks. Here are the oranges. These are the browns. The greens. More brown. More brown. This is yellow. And this is kind of, yeah, orangey pink. So here they are by color category. Okay, this one should be here. Here they are. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful beads. Okay, so I like it. I will have to try, but right now my hands don't let me grab a needle because it's too small. I can grab the pens, the brushes for the paint, because you know you have to go soft anyway. And but let's see what happens. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope you like this video. Okay, this is a nice kit. I like the beads. They're not too big. The canvas size is size 9 and it's a pretty canvas. So don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.